Hi guys, my name is Gabriel and welcome back to another tutorial from digitalplus.tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Active Directory on a Windows Server 2019. So first thing first, let's go ahead and open our server manager, and in the Manage button, we will add roles and features. Keep in mind that you will need to already have an administrator account strong password. You already have an IP, a static IP address, and you have all your updates of Windows installed. I will check for updates to see if there are any in place. So we should be good to go. Yes. Okay. Let's go hit next. In the installation type, we will choose role-based or feature-based installation, and select the server that we want to install Active Directory for. And in the server roles, we are going to choose Active Directory Domain Services. Make sure that this checkbox is checked. And also we're going to choose DNS server. Let's add the features and go ahead and click Next. Hit Next again. Next. Next. And go ahead and install. This might take a while depending on your machine, but I will pause it and return after my installation is complete. And now that our installation is complete, we will promote this server to a domain controller, and we will click on this link over here. And what we need to choose is to add a new forest, as is our first installation. So I will name my server this way. Let's click Next. And be sure that the domain name system DNS server is checked, and also the global catalog. Let's go ahead and type in a password. Okay, and click Next. Next again. You can choose to change your NetBIOS domain name. I usually leave it as it is. Click Next. I would advise to leave all the folders as they are if you don't know what you are doing. Click Next. Here you can check everything that you've selected that is according. So this is my domain name, my NetBIOS name, all the other options that I've selected. This is good. It looks good. I click Next. And after everything checks up, I will go ahead and install all the functions. So we are good. We have the green checkbox over there, and let's go ahead and click Install. After this, your server might restart automatically. So don't panic if that happens. I will get back to you in a jiffy after everything is installed. As our computer have restarted and is back online, now we need to go into server manager, and let's go and check our domain name. So tools and Active Directory user and computers. So right click on properties, and here you go. We have our domain name. All good. Let's go again to tools, and this time on DNS, and we should go to add reverse zone. So right click, new zone, click next. We will choose a primary as a primary zone, and to store it in Active Directory, click next, click next, IPv4, it's all good. So in this area I'm going to enter my first 3 octets from my main IP address, which is 192.168.111, and click next, next, and finish. So here we go. Now let's go to forward lookup zone and select our domain name, and on the server name click properties. Okay, so this is good. We will need just to check this box over here, apply, and OK. Now let's go back to reverse lookup zones, and with the right click hit refresh. Here we go. This looks good for the moment. Now let's go to PowerShell, and let's check all the settings that we've done. We're going to do that through the main server manager. Let's click on the IP. Okay, so right click properties, and on IPv4 double click. And now you can see that we have our DNS server with the localhost IP. I'm going to change this to the server's IP, as I want the DNS to be on the main server. So here we go. We have also internet in our computer now. The reason I didn't have it before, it needed the adapter needed to have a refresh, and what I've done, I've disabled it and I re-enable it again. So now we have also internet. Our server is inside the domain name, so everything is good. Let's go ahead and check again with DNS Lookup. So it looks good. Here it is, our reverse address, and it seems good. So here it is. If you like this video, leave a comment or give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you next time.